Good day everyone, I'm Remelyn BUCOY from BSed English 1B. So today's video, we were going to discuss and explain about the Charles Hackett theory. So Charles Hackett was an American linguistic theorist. Hackett proposed a widely acknowledged comparative approach of language by using a zoological method to identify the main points of connection, especially those found in animals. He invented a set of 18 design features of communication using spoken language, including auditory vocal channel, broadcast transmission and directional reception, specialization, semanticism, and arbitrariness. Hackett never ceased to consider linguistics as a component of anthropology, as this branch was devoted to the discovery of the place of human language in the universe. He believed that linguistics without anthropology is sterile. Anthropology without linguistics is blind. So, let's enumerate and explain the Hackett's 16 design features of language. So first is the vocal auditory channel. Communicator speaks, receiving individual hears. Second, the broadcast transmission or the directional reception. Message goes out in all directions. Receiver can tell what direction message comes from. Sign language uses line of sight transmission instead. Third is the rapid fading. Rapid fading message is transitory and does not persist. Fourth is the interchangeability. Interchangeability, transmitters can become receivers or vice versa. We can each repeat any message. Next is the total feedback. We hear all that we say. Next is the specialization. We communicate just for the purpose of communicating, not incidentally to some other primary function. Direct energy consequences are unimportant. 7. The semanticity. Symbols used like phonimes, morphemes have particular meanings. 8. The arbitrariness. Symbols are arbitrary. The word loud can be spoken softly. Whale is a smaller word than microorganism. Dog, parrot, chint, hand, canis all mean the same. Next is discreteness. Symbols are made by combining smaller symbols that differ discontinuously, like for example the bin and pin. Next is the duality of patterning. The smaller symbols like the P and T have no meaning of their own and can be combined in various ways like pit and tip. So Hackett originally thought that the remaining features were exclusively for human. So for the 11, the displacement. You can talk about something not immediately present or at a distance or in the past. 12, the prevarication. We can say things that are false or hypothetical. 13. The productivity. Novel utterances can be made and understood. 14. The traditional transmission. Traditional transmission, culturally, languages are socially learned, not genetic, and are passed down through generations. Next is the learnability. Learnability, we can learn new language or easier in childhood. Lastly, the reflexiveness. Reflexiveness, we can use language to talk about language, like for example the noun, adjective, and the sentences. That's all.
Say hello to the girl you